If you want to fix your SMS not be sending or not receiving on Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, open up your messages. Now let's tap on our account icon and let's press on our message settings. Make sure that the RCS chats are turned off or turned on. Make sure that notifications are turned on as well, that you're receiving them, because sometimes they may be working or just not seeing them. Then make sure that you don't have any of your focus mode turned on. Let's open up our settings. Let's use our search. Let's search for our focus mode. Here's our focus mode, so make sure that all of them are turned off. As you see, I don't have any of them even set up. Also, do not forget to open up your phone, tap on those three dots, press settings, look at your blocked numbers, and see and check the block numbers. So maybe the phone which you are expecting a message from is added to your block number. If nothing else works, it's good to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. This will restart your phone connection. Also check up if you have your cell. If there is no cell, of course the messages won't get through. Sometimes you need to restart your phone, so summon this power off menu and press restart. It really helps. And the last but not least, if nothing else is working, open up your system. Now scroll down to your reset options. Now locate your reset mobile network settings and press reset settings. Enter your password. Confirm your choice. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.